not allowed to.
In the real zombie apocalypse, you know someone's gonna be fucking zombies.
I mean,
That person's going to become a zombie.
yeah.
I think that's like part of why they would do it. I would
don't think
imagine.
so.
Imagine,
I would imagine.
imagine suicide
Why would you
zombie
imagine
transformation by fucking.
Wow, zombie virus.
I don't want to live in this world anymore.
I gotta bust this nut to get out of here.
Goodbye, cruel world.
Exactly. Exactly.
Shut up!
What?
Fuck you! I was gonna say, I was thinking about the you come in a zombie and die thing, and it was making me laugh, and then you just had to do it to me, you bitch!
Oh my god, guys, there's water over there.
Take that, you mealy mouth.
That's a lot of water.
That's a really still ocean.
I think we're on a boat.
That ocean not moving.
What the fuck did you do?
Oh my god!
And now for something completely different.
15 seconds remaining.
He
What?
literally had
Four
one
eliminated.
health. I shot him in the cock and ball torture, and he died.
Maybe you really did shoot him in the dick.
I told you. I put one bullet in his dick, and he died.
I mean, if somebody put a bullet in my dick, I'd probably die.
Oh fuck.
There's also an IQ.
Yo, Cameron, look at this spot. I'm a fucking meme lord.
Oh my god.
3 days later.
If I actually get a kill.
Bitch.
Op 4, last stop standing.
Nice!
Looks like it's time for a party!
Okay, who's alive? Live check. Shit.
Someone just got hit
Someone
with
died?
a shotgun.
Someone fucking
This door's
died.
not working?
Dude, I don't know.
No, it is.
I'm nervous. My heart's pumping.
Someone's shooting.
No,
It's not me.
no! What is happening?
Connor's
You know what? I thought that gun was a dead body.
Connor's
dumb.
evil.
Mommy.
I'm watching YouTube.
Fuck am I? Cam, whoever you see is probably guilty of just shooting them.
I'm watching you guys.
Fuck am I?
Wait, these are this is the...
I told you it was. It wasn't Peter. How is it not Peter?